So I took the kids, or me and Sarah took the kids across to a brisket place. I was really wanting to try this new brisket joint, so we drove across the bay. But while we were there, we decided to go to the pier. It's this beautiful little small town. It's called Fairhope. It's gorgeous. If you're ever passing through, totally worth it. It's just off I-10, so if you're like headed north or south, either to Florida or away from Florida, and you have some time, stop by Fairhope. Really cool town, very picturesque, great for photos and vlogging and all kinds of great stuff. Anyway, that said, we got our brisket. As you can see, it was delicious. And then we went to the pier, and as we were walking around, I had my little model with me, and I started thinking, like, I just kind of never really bothered to test all I versus 8-bit versus 10-bit just to see. So this isn't like a super comprehensive test. Again, this falls into my vlog tests, which are not super scientific. They're just reasonable and done in the moment, right? And so what I've done here is I have shot all I have shot 10-bit 150, and I have shot 8-bit 100 or 150, whatever it was. But I've just gone through those three flavors, if you will, to see if we can notice any pretty drastic differences. The sky was nice and contrasty, the pelicans were moving, so you'll kind of see I focused on the pelicans a little bit because they were dive bombing so much I could get some interesting stuff. So that's what we're going to do in this episode, is look at those three. I'm calling it all I against I. Terrible pun. I'm not even going to reveal the findings, actually. We're just going to look at them, and I'll reveal those in a different episode, maybe on the live stream, not totally sure. We'll talk about the findings very shortly.